Welcome to your computer science class. So children, as we are all doing the revision for the periodic 2 exam. Today also we will do the revision for our periodic 2 examination only. But before we start the revision for today, let us have a look at the mode of the examination, children. Mode of the examination will be online as we have done in the periodic first and the half yearly examination. You will be getting MCQ based questions with 4 options, and every question will have 4 options. And from here, you will have to choose the most correct, that is the most appropriate answer for every question. The time duration for every question will be 30 minutes, and you will have to complete your question paper within 30 minutes. Do not exceed 30 minutes, because after this your paper will not be valid, that is your paper will not be submitted. Okay, so do keep these things in mind. So total number of questions will be 20, children, and marks will be 20 only. Okay, so do keep these things into mind. So learn thoroughly, children. So now let us start our revision for the periodic 2 exam. We will revise lesson number 8, children, that is slide organization in PowerPoint. Let us have a look at the topics we have to revise. We will revise changing the slide layout, editing, moving, copying, deleting text objects, inserting text box, clip art, shapes, rearranging a slide in an outline, tab and slide sorter view, rotating, resizing a picture, shape, text or objects, and then we will learn using shadow effects. So these are the topics we have to revise. Okay, now see here. Okay, the first topic we have to study is changing the slide layout. Okay, we have to change the slide layout. Suppose these are the few slides I have made, and now presently I'm working in the outline tab. See, these are the slides in outline tab. Okay, now suppose if I want to change the layout of the slide. So how will I change the layout? Let me first insert a new slide. Okay, suppose this slide I have inserted here. Okay, now you can see here the second slide is inserted over here. Okay, so how to change the layout? The layout of the slide can be changed only in two views, that is the normal view and the slide sorter view. Okay, so what I will do here is that click on this slide and click on the home tab. The layout can only be changed in the home tab. This you must remember. Okay, in the home tab, go to the slides group, click on the layout button. Okay, from the layout button, you will get 9 types of slide layouts. From here, you can choose any one of them. Okay, this one. Suppose I have taken. Okay, so you can see here the slide layout is changed. Okay, see, the slide layout is changed. Now, suppose if I want to write here anything. Okay, suppose if I write here good. Okay, now the second topic is editing text object. Okay, editing text object means how to make changes in the text. Okay, I can make it here bold, I can make it underlined. Okay, so this is about editing the text. Okay, let me press the enter key. I'll write here is everywhere. God is everywhere. God loves everyone. God loves everyone. I pray to God every day. I pray to God every day. So these are the few lines I have written here. Now we will learn how to move the object, how to copy the object, and how to delete the objects. Okay. First, let us understand how to. Here we studied about editing the text. Okay. Now here we will study how to move the object. Okay. So I will select with the help of Shift and the arrow key. Now I want to move this. Sorry. I want to move this. So what I will do is that with the help of Shift and arrow key, I will select this. Okay. And I will cut this. Control X. Now it has been deleted. Now I will bring the cursor down and I will paste here. You can see here. So this is about moving the object. Okay. Now let me press Ctrl Z and undo the action. Okay. This is Ctrl Z for undoing the action. Okay. This is moving the object, copying the object. Now this has already been selected. Now what I will do is that Ctrl plus C. Now I have copied this object. Now I will bring the cursor here, come down and press Ctrl plus V. Ctrl V. V. So this is copying the object. Understood? Now next topic is deleting the text object. How to delete the text object? Select the text. Do remember children, before performing any action, please select the text or the shape, whatever you want to delete. Okay. Now after this, what I'll do, I'll press the delete button. So this is moving the object, copying the object and deleting the object. Okay. Now how to insert a new slide just below to this. Okay. So to insert below to this, I should place the cursor just below to the slide in the outline tab. Okay. So what I'll do is that now you can see here my cursor is here. Okay. Now I will insert a new slide over here. See here. Blank slide. Okay. New slide has been inserted over here. Now in the new slide, we will learn how to insert clip art, how to insert word art, and then how to insert shapes and how to insert text box. Okay. First, let us understand how to insert text box. Okay. Insert tab is very important. Go to insert tab. See here, text box is there in the insert tab in the text group. Okay. So click on this text box. Okay. Drag this four-headed arrow. Okay. Now you can write here happy birthday. Okay. Now you can see here what you can do. What is the benefit of this is that you can move this text box anywhere on the slide. See here. I can place it here also. Wherever I want. This is the benefit of inserting the text box. So this is about inserting the text box. Okay. Now let us understand how to insert word art. Okay. Insert word art. See here. This is inserting word art. Okay. Keep smiling. Okay. Okay. Keep smiling. You can see here I have inserted a text box. I have inserted a word art. So we studied how to insert a word art and how to insert a text box. Okay. These two things are clear to you. Now next is how to insert clip art. Okay. How to insert clip art. Again go to the insert tab. Now see here this clip art, this word word which you have inserted. Okay. That is how to insert the word art. So how to make changes into it? See here. Format. Go to the format button. So you can change the styles of this. You can make it of this color. Okay. Select this from here. Then like see here. Select it from here and go to the word styles. Okay. You can see the changes over here. So this is about children working with word art. Okay, this is now over. Now let us understand how to insert clip art. Go to the insert tab again. So children, in the insert tab, what did we see here? In the insert tab we have text box. In the insert tab we have word art. Then in the insert tab we have the clip art also. Click on the clip art button. Okay, now see here, flowers are written here. In the search box, when you get in the search box, you can write whatever you want to insert. Okay, suppose I have written here flowers. Okay, flowers, then click on go. You will get various options whatever you want to insert. Okay, suppose this flower I want to insert. After clicking on this flower, you will get a drop down menu. Click on this insert button from the drop down menu and it will be inserted on your screen. See here. Now see, the size of this is too big. Okay, so we can reduce the size from here. Okay, you can reduce the size from the size group. Okay, size group is in format tab. See here. Also, with the help of the this arrow key, you can reduce the size of the flower. Okay, so this was children about inserting clip art, inserting word art in the slides. Okay, now let me insert another slide for you. New slide, blank. Okay, this was about inserting the word art, inserting the text box, and inserting the clip art. Now we will learn how to insert shapes. Okay, go to the insert tab, click on shapes, select this. See here. This is the shape I have inserted over here. Now to format this shape, I can fill this shape with different colors. Okay, let's see here. This is the shape I have inserted. You can also fill it with gradient. You can make it look gradient. This we have already studied, and this is simply a revision for you children. So you can also add dashes to it. Now you can put the shape effect, like shape effect is, see here. You can apply shadow effect to your star. Then also there are many options, like you can give it 3D rotation. Okay, so this way we can give the 3D rotation. So this was children applying shadow effect or 3D rotation. Now how to resize the shape? See here. This is the resizing of the shape. We have to simply drag this four-headed arrow. Okay, see here. Here, so this is resizing the shape. Okay, this is known as the dragging handle. So with the help of the double-headed arrow, you can resize the shape. Okay, and while dragging, then you drag this with the help of the double-headed arrow. Always press the control button. Okay, now next is here. This is about resizing. Now rotation. You can rotate the shape the way you want. This is known as the rotation handle. Okay, so this was children about the rotation of the handle, pictures, shape and text. Whatever you want to rotate, this way you can do it. So this, as I told you in the beginning, that the slide organization can be done in the normal view and the slide sorter view. Normal view is studied. We understood how to rearrange the slides in the slides. So this is the normal view. Now let us see how to rearrange these slides in the slide sorter view. Okay, suppose in the outline tab you see here. Okay, in the outline tab, see slide number 3. See, it is shifted to this place. Okay, see the difference. This way we can rearrange the slides in the slide normal view, and now we will learn how to rearrange the slides in the slide sorter view. This is the rearrangement of the slides in the, you have to simply drag the slides. Okay, now go to the view tab. Okay, now in the view tab, go to the slide sorter view. Slide sorter view is in the presentation views. Okay, in the presentation views, you will get the slide sorter view. Okay, click on this. Now you can see here the miniature view of all these slides. Now if you want to rearrange these slides, what you will do? See here. See the difference, that slides, they are being rearranged. Okay. So this way we can rearrange these slides in the slide sorter view and the normal view. Okay, so this was children about the rearranging of the slides in the normal view and the slide sorter view. So this was the revision from lesson number 8 children. So I hope you all must have understood well. So practice these things children, learn all the tab keys, learn all the shortcut keys. Okay, and learn all the groups of all the tabs. So this was all for today children from lesson number 8. See you all in the next video. Thank you.